Let's move on because Axis Bank also reported its Q3 numbers. This time it was a weak set of numbers that came in from the company. Abhishek is here to give us more details of this one. Good morning, Abhishek.
Good morning, Vinny. So, two key numbers which surprised negatively. Business growth lower than what the industry is growing, and slippages way higher than what the industry did estimate. So, 15-quarter low business momentum on a YY basis. Deposit growth at mere 9%. Advances growth less than deposit growth at 8.8%. Now, the CASA ratio, perhaps for the first time in last 10 years or so, I'm seeing it below the 40% level. A 38-quarter low with respect to CASA ratio over there. Net interest margin is at 10-quarter low. It was expected to come down on a sequential basis, and it has come down. The return ratios are one of the lowest that you are seeing in last 7 quarters. Both the ROA and ROE are the lowest that you are seeing in last 7 quarters. Slippages, they were a tad bit higher than what analysts estimated, 5,432 crore, which is the highest quarterly slippage that you are seeing in last 13 quarters. The annualized slippage ratio is at 2.14%, perhaps the highest that you are seeing in last 11 quarters. Now, operating efficiency is one of the best that you are seeing in last 7 quarters, given the fact that OPEX declined by more than 4% on a sequential basis. So that helped the cost to income ratio at 46.2% versus 47% in the previous quarter. Core operating profit growth was healthy, up about 14.2% YOY and about 5.2% sequentially. With reference to the PNL, the NI was below our poll, and thanks to lower OPEX, the net profit was slightly ahead of our poll. Back to you.
Okay, Abhishek, thank you so much for giving us these details on Axis Bank and what we saw in terms of the numbers. But